A 3D printed firearm is a firearm that is mostly produced with a 3D printer. They can be classified by the type of 3D printers used: plastic, metal, or both. While plastic ones are usually used as improvised firearms that await gun control, 3D printed metal guns are more commonly thought as a way for legitimate gun manufacturers to exceed traditional design limitations. Although it is possible to create fully plastic guns, such firearms tend to be extremely short-lived. Instead, it is more practical to print a plastic frame and use metal in the action and the barrel. The metal parts can be self-made or bought in the form of a parts kit. A related issue is the production of 3D printed parts for conventional firearms. Printed high-capacity magazines circumvent limits on assault weapons. Sears weaken the control on machine guns, and pistol braces challenge the limit on short-barreled rifles. In 2012, the US-based Team Defense Distributed disclosed plans to design a working plastic gun that could be downloaded and reproduced by anybody with a 3D printer. Defense Distributed has also designed a 3D printable AR-15 type rifle lower receiver and a variety of magazines. In May 2013, Defense Distributed completed design of the first working blueprint to produce a plastic gun with a 3D printer. The United States Department of State demanded removal of the instructions from the Defense Distributed website, deeming them a violation of the Arms Export Control Act. In 2015, Defense Distributed founder Cody Wilson sued the United States government on free speech grounds. And in 2018 the Department of Justice settled, acknowledging Wilson's right to publish instructions for the production of 3D printed firearms. The legal actions against Defense Distributed has inspired the creation of more decentralized 3D printed firearm communities, including Deterrence Dispensed and FOSSCAD. In 2019, participants of these internet-based communities remain anonymous, and are sometimes based in jurisdictions that ban custom gun production. In 2013, a Texas company, Solid Concepts, demonstrated a 3D printed version of an M1911 pistol made of metal, using an industrial 3D printer. In 2014, a New Zealand company, Oceania Defence, demonstrated a 3D printed titanium suppressors that are 50% lighter than conventional ones. After Defense Distributed released their plans, questions were raised regarding the effects that 3D printing and widespread consumer-level CNC machining may have on gun control effectiveness. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security and the Joint Regional Intelligence Center released a memo stating significant advances in three-dimensional printing capabilities, availability of free digital 3D printer files for firearms components, and difficulty regulating file sharing may present public safety risks from unqualified gun seekers who obtain or manufacture 3D printed guns, and that proposed legislation to ban 3D printing of weapons may deter, but cannot completely prevent their production. Even if the practice is prohibited by new legislation, online distribution of these digital files will be as difficult to control as any other illegally traded music, movie or software files. Internationally, where gun controls are generally tighter than in the United States, some commentators have said the impact may be more strongly felt, as alternative firearms are not as easily obtainable. European officials have noted that producing a 3D printed gun would be illegal under their gun control laws, and that criminals have access to other sources of weapons, but noted that as the technology improved, the risks of an effect would increase. Downloads of the plans from the UK, Germany, Spain, and Brazil were heavy. Attempting to restrict the distribution over the Internet of gun plans has been likened to the futility of preventing the widespread distribution of the CSS, which enabled DVD ripping. After the US government had Defense Distributed take down the plans, they were still widely available via the Pirate Bay and other file sharing sites. Some US legislators have proposed regulations on 3D printers to prevent their use for printing guns. 3D printing advocates have suggested that such regulations would be futile, could cripple the 3D printing industry, and could infringe on free speech rights. In Australia, the state law of New South Wales criminalises the possession of the digital plans and files to 3D print firearms under Section 51F of the Firearms Act 1996. In one case in 2015, a loaded 3D printed firearm was found during a police raid on a meth lab. In another case in February 2017, Sisson Sun was arrested on charges related to 3D printable guns. During trial in December 2017, he pleaded guilty to charges including possessing a digital blueprint for the manufacture of firearms, manufacturing a pistol without a license permit, and possessing an unauthorized pistol. In a sentence hearing on August 6, 2018, he told the court he initial